Struggling to control your money? In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a budget that works. No confusion, no complicated spreadsheets. By the end, you'll have a simple system to track, plan, and save every dollar. Budgeting helps you take control of your money, avoid overspending, and reach your financial goals faster. Without a plan, it's easy to run out of money before the month ends or make impulsive purchases you later regret. Start by figuring out exactly how much money you earn each month. Include your salary, side hustles, and any irregular income. Knowing your total cash flow gives you the foundation for a realistic budget. Write down all your fixed expenses, rent, utilities, insurance, and loans, and variable expenses like groceries, gas, and entertainment. Tracking both types gives you a complete picture of your spending habits. Assign a maximum amount for each category. For example, groceries $300, entertainment $100. This ensures you don't overspend and helps you prioritize essentials while still enjoying your money. Always include savings in your budget, no matter how small. Even putting aside $50 or $100 a month builds your emergency fund and creates a safety net for unexpected expenses. Track every dollar you spend using a notebook, app, or spreadsheet. This creates awareness of your habits and prevents unnoticed overspending, making your budget much more effective. Pay down high-interest debt first, like credit cards. Allocate extra funds to debt while making minimum payments on lower-interest loans. This saves money on interest and speeds up financial freedom. Check your budget weekly to see if you're sticking to your limits. If you overspent in one category, adjust others to balance it out. Weekly reviews prevent small oversights from becoming bigger problems. At the end of the month, review your results. Did you meet your spending and savings goals? Make changes for the next month based on what worked and what didn't. Your budget should evolve as your life and goals change. Celebrate your progress with small, affordable rewards, like a movie night or a coffee treat. Recognizing your wins keeps you motivated and makes sticking to a budget easier in the long run. Follow these steps, and you'll have a simple working budget in under 3 minutes. Subscribe to Money Basics Library for more quick money tips, and check the video description for our book to dive deeper and take full control of your finances today.